Hello, good morning. It's Kooky here at Kooky Towers. It's that time of the month again when everything stops so that I can open this month's Scrawlr box. For people not in the know, Scrawlr box is a monthly subscription and you get a mystery box of art supplies. And sometimes it's things you might know of, but a lot of the times it's things you might never have tried before or never have attempted to try. And this beautiful box gives you a chance to try out something new and also gives you a challenge, which is something that I really enjoy. So let's get into it, shall we? I have removed my address off the back and now we have the fun of trying to get this off in one. Oh yes, one little rip and you're into your art supplies. It feels very heavy, I have to say, very heavy this month. It's a heavy boy. Let me make a little space here. I was just doing a bit of painting, so pop that to one side. Move my pencils out of the way and give myself a little room. Ooh. Okay, you get the little challenge. You create something with only the items inside this box and share the results using this hashtag here. I will leave the description. I will leave the details of Scrawlr box down in the description box. So never fear if you want to know what's going on. It looks like we've had a bit of a tissue rip issue going on here. Kind of gave it away a bit there. Pencils. Okay, put that to one side. So we have our sticker right on top here. Oh, I've got a word that's sweetie. Oh, that's going to be mine later. Let's put the sticker down. Ooh, Pilot Gold. I think I've had one of these before. Not sure how I got on with it. I can't remember, but we'll have a check out of that in a minute. Definitely not had this. It's a Kohinoor Hardmoth Gioconda white coal pencil. Interesting, okay. So, for sketching and drawing, it's the Wolf's Graphite Sketch Set. I did say I want to do some more graphite work this year, so this looks like it could be a handy dandy thing. Oh, it's a proper set. Oh, so we've got a full set. So we've got HBB, 2B, 4B, 6B, and 8B. And we've got a sharpener, an eraser, and I'm not sure what this is. Carbon stick. Yeah, carbon stick. Okay. I'm here for it already. Let's get rid of the tissue. I'll take these bits out. We'll have a look at the substrate in a minute. Put that with my rest of my Scrawlr boxes that can go over there. I have a little stash of these. They're very handy for resending things out in. They're a nice size, and yeah, I like to reuse them where possible. Okay, so let's have a look at the substrate we've got. Oh, it's a Frisk. Frisk is always good. Always good for Frisk. It is an A5 200 GSM 10 sheets of cartridge paper. It's a nice weight of cartridge paper, I have to say. That's lovely. So I've got 10 sheets to go at. So hopefully I'll be able to create something in all of those. And let's have a look at the artwork. Oh, ooh, interesting. Which way around is it? That way. That way. Oh, look, it's so cute. So the artist of this month is Scrawlr. Scrawlr is a fine art artist living and working in London, England. I'm not going to read all of this, but they like nature, plants, birds, and everything else. And imaginary worlds, lovely. And the garden in me, which I presume is this. Oh, it was her first collection, reflects Scrawlr's fascination with the hidden details of life and how all around us nature grows and exists, indifferent to our presence and passing unnoticed. Cool. Well, I shall enjoy reading more of that. Oh, didn't even notice this. We've got a little bit of Frisk transfer paper. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we can have a look at the Scrawlr box. So the challenge is the Midas touch. So let's go through the bits we've got. So we got the Wolf's Graphite Sketch Set, which is retails at $10.49 per set. I've never heard of Wolf's, to be fair. Royal Sovereign, okay. I just haven't ever heard of this make before, so that's an interesting thing to try. The Pilot Supercolour marker pen. I've definitely tried one of these before. I know I have. Our Goldest Gold marker we could get our hands on. So this one, I don't have much luck with them, I have to say. I have to say that me and gold pens don't often get on. I love them, but they don't love me very much. But we'll no, the jury is out until I've tried it. Yes, it's made in Japan, so it's a Pilot one. Medium, so it looks like a medium bullet point. Shake and pump the nib a few times to activate. The robust aluminium barrel with bonded acrylic fibre bullet-shaped tip retains its shape. The marker contains a permanent style ink with a xylene-free formula. Okay, so that's $4.75. So we're already racking up the prices here. The Frisk Trace Down Carbon Paper A5 is a must-have artist tool. This wax-free transfer paper allows you to copy designs onto just about any surface. Oh, including paper, canvas, wood, ceramic and fabric. Yes, fabric, yes. Provides clean and crisp lines which can be easily erased and reused again. Interesting. No, I'm liking that. Retail price $2.50. Then we have the Kohinoor Hardmonth Gioconda White Coal Pencil in a medium, an excellent blending tool for your graphite work. This pencil features a medium soft white charcoal encased in a wooden barrel for ease of use. Ideal for blending and adding highlights to your graphite work. Retails at $1.49. And then we have the Frisk drawing paper. Frisk drawing paper, high quality heavyweight white drawing paper, great for sketches, used with graphite pastels, charcoal and pens, all the good stuff. Acid free, proudly manufactured in Britain, and the recommended retail price for this is $2.99. So we have got a really good set of things here to try out. So shall we grab a piece of paper and just try some of them? Maybe we should. I think we should use the paper that we're going to be using. So although it seems to be a little waste, I'm still going to do it. So let's take a piece of this out. I will use this in something, because I hate wasting the papers, but needs must. Okay. Right, let's try these pencils out. Hopefully they are a nice graphite. I'm sure they will be. So this is the HB. Feels nice. So that's HB. That feels like a nice, yeah, so we can get a nice smooth line there. Yeah, that's lovely. B. Oh, it does feel softer. Definitely. Let's see if I can get that. So B. What, 2B? Easier to get the darkness coming into the 2Bs. It's definitely softer. That's the 2B. I do like a nice 2B pencil, have to say. 4B. Nice points on these, have to say as well. Cool. 4B. 6B. So easy to get a really dark and soft line with that. How light will it go? 6B. And our last one here is the 8B. Oh yeah, nice and solid. Lovely. That's 8B. Let's have a try of the carbon stick. Come out. Lovely. Okay, so we can get some nice. Ooh yeah, I like these marks. Cool. I can get a nice fine line as well. Nice edges going on here. I like this. Lovely. And does it blend? It does. This is me getting messy now. Good job I'm not stitching anything today, isn't it? Yes. Okay, time to get messy. Let me grab a little wipey out of my... Don't want to get it all over everything. Great, so we've got an eraser and a pencil sharpener there as well. I'm not going to try the transfer paper because I don't want to use that up yet. I want to read more about it first. And the next thing we have is this beauty. Now, what did it say? Shake well with cap on. Yeah, don't shake it with the cap off. Then press the tip down 3 or 4 times on scrap paper to start the ink rolling. Okay. Oh my goodness, took the cap off. I was trying to take the plastic off. There we go, get rid of that. And shake, 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 shaky. Yeah, don't ever shake with the lid off. This is a voice of experience. Voice of experience here. Don't shake with the lid off, kids. Okay. What did they say? 3 to 4 times? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's coming through. I can see it. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. So this is the Pilot Gold. I'll write it in Pilot Gold. It's a medium tip. Ooh. Shall I sniff it? I shouldn't sniff it, but I'm going to. Oh, no. No, don't sniff it. Please don't sniff it. You must never, should never sniff that. I just have to see how bad it's going to affect me. It's quite sniffy, so I'll leave the windows open when I use that at any point in time. Make sure it's well ventilated. Okay, so we've tried out the stuff. I don't know if there's any point. Oh, that's good for blending. It did say the oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. Oh gosh, that pen. I can smell it. Yeah. Yeah, I can smell that. Very good. Very good. Right. Let me wipe down my fingeroos. Pop these away. And let's have a look inside the magazine. I'm looking forward to my Werthers. Stay! It doesn't want to stay. I'm trying to balance too many things in the small space. There we go. So the Scrawlr zine. So this is hashtag 094. And we get the opening page where we can see, let me clear this off so you can see this much clearer if I clear this off. So it tells you about the carbon paper, the pencils, different grades of pencil, the golden mark. That's the goldest gold that Scrawlr box could find. It is very gold, I have to say. Pop of white, blank page, that's the Frisk paper, the Sweetie Treaty, which I'm looking forward to. And we've had a look at the supplies menu, we've had a look at the artist, and the carbon block. I'm really interested in that. I think I've got some more of those somewhere as well. But interview with our artist, and so that's going to be a nice thing to sit down with my coffee and have a read about. So graphite and gold are something that this artist enjoys using, and I prefer to work inside rather than outside. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of with you there. Scrawlr tips. So trying out all the pressure and tones, trying to do some blending with a cotton bud or some tissue. I've got some cotton buds, so I'll dig those out. Prevent smudging. Keep your delicate details intact by using a spare piece of paper for your hand to rest on. That's a really good tip, actually. And then the carbon block is great for filling out larger areas, and then layer over the gold over the graphite even when burnished. Interesting, very cool. Transfer it. When your final sketch is ready, you can use a transfer paper to trace it onto a new piece of paper. Okay, tape it down to keep it in place. You are gold. It's permanent ink, so once it's dry, it won't be reactivated. So interesting. Then we've got some more tips here from the artist using gold leaf. Okay, so probably this artist usually uses a gold leaf to enhance the work. Interesting. I have got some of that somewhere as well. Scrawlr gallery. Let's see what we can see and see if I can see anybody that I know in this list. I'm not seeing any names. I love that ghosty. He's very cute. Love that. Lucy Locks. I do know Lucy Locks. Yes. I don't know Lucy Locks, but I know of Lucy Locks and watch her YouTube channel. So yes, her own reality. I remember her being in one of these before as well. Very interesting artist, and follow on Instagram. So really interesting to look at. So then we have our top three. So Amy May was one, Emily Edwards was another one, and Katie Hawkins was the third one. And there's a QR code there that you can scan. You can watch Katie creating this piece of artwork here. Scrawlrbox community on Facebook. I am part of that. And it's really interesting because it's other people you can discuss about how things are working for you or not working for you, and just share ideas. Golden history. So this is all about gold, different uses of gold. And then we've got more of the Scrawlr gallery here. Carmel's works there. Yeah. Hey, that is cool. Very cool. So the Scrawlr Challenge Roundup. Lovely. I'm glad that Carmel's in there. That's really cool. So I've got lots to read, lots to think about, and my challenge, which was Midas touch. So we've got to include some gold in here somewhere. So thinking caps on. I'm going to go off and have another read through, eat my Werthers and drink a coffee, and then that should give me all the inspiration I need now to complete the challenge. So keep an eye out for another video coming up. If you enjoy my content here on Kooky Corners, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. So show me a thumbs. And then if you're really interested and want to see other things, because we do lots of things here, some of them successful, some of them maybe minorly successful, but we always have a go. This is the thing, always have a go. And so if you are interested in seeing future videos, don't forget to subscribe, and that will give you the option of ticking or clicking on that bell or dinging the bell, and then the bell notifications will let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon back here with something else very soon. Bye for now.